morning children. Today we are going to discuss about the lesson 3 one words and question answers. First of all, filling the blanks. A tiny projection on our tongue are called, very tiny projection, small projection in our tongue are called for tasty buds. T-A-S-T-E-B-U-D-S. Tasty buds. All tasty buds are different types of taste. For bitter, sour, next one sweet and salty. Okay, which one is tiny projection? The tasty buds. Okay, the dash interprets the information received from the sense organ. Which one is the information from the sense organ and reacts which one? The brain. B-R-A-I-N, brain. The dash help us the touch the feel. தொட்ட உடனே தெரிகிறது எந்த இது ஃபீல் கொடுக்கிறது ஸ்கின். ஓகே, உணர்வு ஸ்கின். S-K-I-N, skin. The part of the ear that is visible is called the dash ear, visible portion. The part of the ear la visible portion, internal ear and external ear. Which one is the visible portion? The external ear. E-X-T-E-R-N-A-L, outside ear is the external ear, that only visible part of the ear. Dash connect the retina to the brain. Which one is connected the retina to the brain? Retina is the part of the eye. It is to the which one? Brain also connected it. The optic nerve. O-P-T-I-C, optic nerve. N-E-R-V-E, nerve. Optic nerve is connected the retina to the brain. One more time repeat. The tiny projection on our tongue are called tasty buds. சுவை மொட்டுக்கள் தமிழ்ல. The dash interprets the formation received from the sense organ and reacts. Brain. The dash help us to touch, feel. Skin. The part of the ear that is visible is called the external ear. The dash connect the retina to the brain. The optic nerve. Next one, who am I? I am the thread-like structure made up of neurons. Neuron is the basic unit of nerve cell. Which one is the thread-like structure? The thread-like structure is nerve. N-E-E-R-V-E. Yes, nerves. Nerves are the thread-like structure. Ion join the brain with the spinal cord. Join the brain to spinal cord. Up to the brain to spinal cord is the medulla oblongata. M-E-D-U-L-L-A, medulla oblongata. O-B-L-O-N-G-A-T-A, medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata is the another name for the brain stem. Another name is brain stem. Okay, the brain has three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Okay, next one. I am the colored circular part inside the eye. Circular part inside the colored circular part is known as iris. I-R-I-S, iris. I am the largest part of the brain. Cerebrum. C-E-R-E-B-R-U-M, cerebrum. We both join together to make up central nervous system. Two are make the central nervous system. Which one? Brain and spinal cord. Brain and spinal cord. S-P-I-N-A-L, spinal cord. C-O-R-D, spinal cord. One more time repeat. Who am I? I am thread-like structure made up of neurons. Answer, nerves. I join the brain with the spinal cord, medulla oblongata. I am the colored circular part inside the eye is iris. I am the largest part of the brain, cerebrum. We both join together to make up central nervous system, brain, spinal cord. Next one, match the following. Cornea. Cornea is the which part? Cornea. Circular transparent layer in front of the eye. In front of the eye cavity, what ma? Cornea. Okay. Next one, iris. Iris is the colored circular part inside an eye. Inside an eye, circular part. Inside have one circular part is known as the iris. Next one, lens. Lens is the, what ma lens? Lens is the images are formed this part of an eye. ஏதாவது images, ஏதாவது பிம்பங்கள் பார்க்கிறது எது தெரியுதோ இது வெளியே தான் பார்ப்போம். இந்த lens. Next one, retina. Focuses the incoming the light. Focuses incoming the light is known as the what ma? Retina. One more time repeat. Cornea, colored circular part, cornea circular transparent layer in front of the eye. Iris is the colored circular part inside an eye. Okay, in front, this one inside iris. Lens or images are formed on this part of a eye. Retina focus the incoming the light. Okay children. Next, answer the following questions. What is reflex action? Reflex action are automatic and are controlled by the spinal cord. Spinal cord only control the reflex action. It is the automatic. Okay. Next one, write a short notes on ear. Ears. The ears help us to hear. Ears nala enna panna mudiyudhu? Kekradhukku mudiyiradu. The part of the ear that is visible outside is called the external ear. வெளியில தெரிகிற உறுப்பு தான் எது? எக்ஸ்டர்னல் இயர். எல்லால பார்க்க முடிகிறது visible part. Okay, it act a funnel that collect sound. Sound collect பண்ணும். Funnel that collect the sound. This sound in the form of vibration then pass through the eardrum. இங்க pass through ஆகுது இந்த eardrum. Eardrum. Okay, of the middle ear to the inner ear. Inside have a middle ear and inner ear and eardrum. The outside have a external ear. Okay. Next one, how does the skin help in removing waste from our body? There are pores on the surface of our skin. Skin have a many pores, small like pore. Inside have. Okay. Outside have small hair also growing for this pore side. Okay. These pores are allow the skin to release waste and toxin in the form of sweat. எதை வெளியேற்றுது? வியர்வையை pores வழியா தான் என்ன செய்யுது? வெளியேற்றுகிறது. Okay, one more time repeat. What is reflex action? Reflex actions are automatic and are controlled by the spinal cord. Next one, write a short notes on ears. The ear help us to hear. The part of the ear that is visible outside is called the external ear. They act like a funnel that collects sounds. These sound in the form of vibration then pass through the eardrum of the middle ear to the internal ear. How does the skin help in removing waste from our body? There are pores on the surface of our skin. These pores allow the skin to release waste and toxin in the form of sweat. Next one, answer in detail. Explain how the tongue help us in tasting different food items. Okay, different food items item எப்படி வந்து tongue taste பண்ணி அனுப்புதுன்னு ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குதுன்னு. The tongue help us taste and enable us to speak. எதுக்கு யூஸாக இருக்கு? டேஸ்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் ஈஸியாக பேசுறதுக்கு யார் தான் யூஸாக இருக்கிறா? இந்த tongue, the sense organ for tongue. Okay, the tongue surface is covered by tiny projection, small projection called, that only called tasty bud. சுவை மொட்டுக்கள். Okay, tasty buds. The tasty buds are connected to the nerves which dictate four major tastes such as sweet, salty, sour and bitter. உப்பு சுவை, இனிப்பு, புளிப்பு சுவை and கசப்பு சுவையை யார் கொடுக்கிறது? Tasty buds. Okay, when the food in our mouth, the tongue senses taste using the tasty buds. The tasty buds convert the tasty into nerve endings in the tasty bud take this message to the brain. Thus we recognize taste. The tasty buds taste வந்து nerve வழியா எங்க தான் போகுது? முதல்ல இந்த message to the brain. Brain தான் வந்து இந்த taste என்ன பண்ணுது? recognize பண்ணுது. ஓகேயா? One more time repeat. Explain how the tongue help us in tasting different food items. The tongue help us taste and enables us to speak. The tongue surface is covered by tiny projection. These are called tasty buds. Tasty buds. Tasty buds are connected to nerves which detect four major tasters such as sweet, salty, sour and bitter. When the food in our mouth, the tongue senses taste using the tasty buds. The tasty buds convert the tasty into a message. Nerve endings in the tasty bud take this message to the brain. Thus we recognize the taste. Okay, the home assignment is learn the all one words. Thank you, children.